Good evening. Tonight we're going to actually tie a cock rabbin. Right, first up, you can see that it's Semperfli Gold Brite number 7. And this is going to be for your tag. So, open the wraps, go off, anti-clockwise your gold Brite, flatten it out, and then bring it back up. Whip finish. Right, next up I have a Semperfli 12-aught and bright red. Okay, so you see in the last few videos I always start my thread where my body finishes, so roughly around there. Couple of turns, slide your scissors through your thread, carry on down, put in my tail, which is going to be bronze Mallard. This pattern they actually tied at BFFF there at the weekend, so I said I'd actually do a video of it and show people how I tie this. It's actually to go step by step. You will see in the video that I'll have chapters, so every piece I'll do you can actually stop it, look at it and tie it along with me. Snip the half there. So tying in turns and then lock them in, coming backwards. Body's in two parts, golden olive and a red. About halfway. That. Need a bit more dubbing. I'd say a bit more dubbing. It's actually, you don't need a whole pile of dubbing, as you can see. Right. Next up is the red. So, bring it all back and just tie it all in. Right, and if you want it, your famous velcro brush, tease all that out. Yep. Next up is ginger. This is a Ewing saddle. Tie it in at the side. Clip off that waist end. Just take your time, just in case you don't cut the thread, you start over again. Right, I have two hackles in this. This is the body hackle, there will be a shoulder hackle. Right, what you do is when you have a shoulder hackle, turn down the body. So, bring your wire up, tying in all the turns. Helicopter it. Cut your waist end. That's in place. So, right, before I will put in my shoulder hackle, I'm going to put a bit of flat, or a bit of tinsel. This is holographic. Semperfli's holographic 169. Just put on top of the shank, tension loop. So to one end on one side, to another side. Trim the flash off, like so. And I will try and keep your bed of thread kind of flat. Right, next up is my red shoulder hackle. This is an Indian cock. So tie it into the side, fold this waist piece back, that'll prevent it from slipping. Okay, I just leave it in there, there's no harm. Fold everything back, you're just fracturing the stems. Sorry, you're fracturing the bars from the stem. Because you're doubling your hackle back, you don't need to put in half a dozen turns. Yes. Okay, next up is my bronze Mallard. I'm going to do a cloak hackle in this. So, I guess roughly 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, roughly. Just take your time with the Mallard and get them to sit right. Pull them out like so. There's scissors here somewhere. I need this one cut in. All I'm going to do is just going to double them. Like so. That's all I'm going to do. Right, this, you take your time with this. This is actually quite easy, right? So to the side, here to my side, roughly just past the bend of the hook, and use your thumb to hold that in place. Now rotate it around the shank, like so. Now hold, just tighten your thread to have a look around. That's not too bad. Right. Just gonna add a little bit more around to the side you're looking at. Like so. Okay. Right. Hold everything in place now. We're going to cut all this off. Just take your time. There's no rush in this part. This is where you can actually ruin your fly. So don't go and rush it. Okay. Just get all your birds just behind the hook eye. So, okay. Right. Now start to use your thread. Down behind the hook eye and start building your head up behind them. Each turn. Just take your time. So, okay, now I'm going to have a little wing on this. Again, this is all one stem, so the tail, the collar hackle and the wing is all from one feather. can do both ways. You can fold it, or you can do this way. You can actually bring one end into the middle, and then the other end folds over that. So you got a nice thick wing. Okay. It's going to be a flat wing, so sitting on top. Make sure it goes over and past your collar wing. One turn, 2 turns, 3 turns. Okay. So you can cut this off. Down towards the hook eye and bring it back up. You touch and turns on the way up. This is looking to be a little bit of a problem here, so we'll get it. Head is normally bigger than normal, but wouldn't worry about that. Okay, right. You hear a lot of people saying about jungle cock, can't get jungle cock, so I use Biots. These are Semperfli's summer duck. So you can put them in on like that, but it's very, very hard to line them up. So all I do, rotate your vise and one turn. Around to the other side. And again, another turn. Check both sides. This one's we on the other side. Up. Okay. Rotate your vise. To the second turn, and then just turn, cut off your Biots. So, okay. Back here, and side of your root. Okay. Just so we finish. So. Right, next, the last part, just to cut these off at the side to length. Again, it's just rough. So there's your, that's it complete there. You can see the flash on it, and just finish off with varnish. Let that dry overnight, and I'll give another coating later on tomorrow evening. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.